Hi and welcome back to Wrexham Volkswagen. My name is Shannon and today I'll be showing you around this fantastic Volkswagen approved used Tiguan that we have in stock. This is the 1.5 TSI 150 PS R-Line, finished in the lovely Dolphin Grey metallic paint. So on the front you've got your unique R-Line badging, adding that unique detail to the vehicle. And then moving around, we've got your 20-inch black diamond turn alloy wheels that really complement the finish. Got your R-Line detailing on the sides of the vehicle. You've also got your electric folding door mirrors. This will help to keep your car safe when left parked down narrow areas. Then we also have your privacy glass on your rear side windows, which is great for your rear passengers. And then going into the boots, you've got your new Tiguan badging on the back. So opening up, we're greeted with a huge boot space. You can also put your back seats down if you ever require that extra bit of room. So moving into your rear passengers, got plenty of space in here. It's finished off in the lovely Greyson sports cloth and the grey and titanium black. Got your ISOFIX fitted in two of the rear seats, making it easy for you to get them child seats in and out. You've also got your armrest in the centre seat. And then your passengers will be really happy to know you've got your climate controls in the back and you've got a USB port so devices can be charged. In the front you've got your R-Line as we step inside the vehicle. And you've got your R-embossed front seats. We have some storage space underneath your armrest for some of your belongings. Then over here we've got your infotainment system, so here we can access your car's functions and settings. So you've got your FM and DAB digital radio for all your music and entertainment. You've got your Bluetooth telephone connect to answer phone calls safely. Then going into navigation, you'll see we've got a nice detailed sat nav, so this will help you plan your routes. You can change your display from day to night, preference to the driver. Then going into assist, so you'll benefit from your side assist, your dynamic road sign display, front assist, your driver alert system, and then your adaptive cruise control for them long stretches on the motorway. And going into App Connect, you'll see that you can pair your phone to the car through Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink, depending on what device you have. So we have a few more features on this car that you can access via your infotainment system. And then we also have your driving profile selection, offering you 4 preset options to choose from. So you've got your Eco Sport, Normal, Individual. You've got your front and rear parking sensors to help you manoeuvre and park more safely, as well as your park assist. So going into aircon, so your aircon's now digital. So this car does feature your 3-zone climate control to keep everyone in the car comfortable. And we've also got your front heated seats to keep you nice and cosy in the colder months. You've got 2 USB ports so devices can be charged from the front. You've got your start and stop function as well as your DSG gearbox. Got a few handy cup holders. I'll just give you a close-up of the seat. Got a nice R-Line detailing. Then we have your fantastic digital Cockpit Pro. So this displays key information within your field of view. So this is a lot safer for you. You've also got your R-Line detailing at the bottom of the wheel. And over here we've got your automatic lights to ensure they're always on at the correct times. We've got all your electric mirror and window controls just down here. If you would like to know more information about this vehicle or if you have any questions, then please give us a call. Thanks for watching.